Cling cling. Cling cling cling. Cling cling cling. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe, please darling. And if you are coming back, you are my day one. You are a member of the double A gang. You are my regular. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So today is Tuesday. I think it's Tuesday. So this is my episode 2 of Vlogtober, darling. Vlogtober, and yeah, and the weather is so gloomy. I wanted to talk to you guys outside, like while I'm outside, by the wind, and it's so cold, like it's so gloomy today. But yeah, I was supposed to go and run some errands today, but I don't think I'm going to do that. In this weather, child, I'm only going out for something that is compulsory, that I have to, that I need to get it. Otherwise, if it's not a need and I can survive without it, then I'm not going outside, sham. So yeah, I guess I'll just have to create content today and take it from there. So yeah, I'm starting my day now. Guys, can you believe Uba, I did my own nails? Like, look at this, like they are giving. Let me show you. Guys, please please look at my nails. Like, honestly, they are giving what they are supposed to give. Guys, they are so nice. This is my first time wearing nails, so yeah. These are press-on nails, and these samples for AA Beauty Cosmetics. I'm just testing out the samples, so that means we have a new product coming, new product alert coming to AA Beauty Cosmetics, guys, and I'm so excited. I'm so happy about these samples. Please guys, let me know if you like them. Do you like they don't look like press-on nails, like they look like you went to a nail technician wawenza nails, and shall, it's the convenience for me. It's really the convenience for me. So when you don't have time to go and do your nails, or you don't have the money to go and do your nails, you can just press on your nails. This took me less than 15 minutes to press these things on, and imagine it's my first time ever wearing nails. So, and they look so good, and I'm so impressed, Shem, and I'm really impressed. So now I'm just gonna take some content for, yeah, as nails, so that I can post on my page when the time is right. But for now, I'm just testing everything just to see how long they last, and if they don't break, and if zinhle. But girl send this bonil bazinhle, so one tick on that. Otherwise, I'm busy about that. So new product alert. Can you hear that, guys? Can you hear that sound? Guys, I'm so excited. I'm feeling gasho. But yeah, guys, so this is the first sample that I have. I'm gonna test other styles. This is the first style that we have. Yeah, as I was saying, this is the first style that we have, and then after some time I'm gonna test another styles and see how they look and all of that. But all in all, I'm impressed. I'm so happy. I'm feeling show. Guys, please do support me. Please do follow my page on Facebook and Instagram, and yeah, so that you can be able to place your order. Yes. Bye guys. Guys, so I decided to do my makeup so that I can start filming. I need to film a video or two so that I can be able to upload next week, because I'm going home this weekend and I won't be able to film when I'm at home. So yeah, so I just need to do that and then cook. And then I also decided to come to, look at me, to come to the rooftop so that I can get some pictures in natural lighting. Guys, I haven't taken pictures in natural lighting in such a long time. Guys, I'm always using my ring light like all the time. So I thought I should just, for a change, hopefully I'll get nice pictures, hopefully that I can be able to post. But yeah, that's what's happening right now. I'll try to get a few pictures and then go and film. I also need to go to book a ticket at ShopRite because I'm going home this weekend, like I said. And yeah, so yeah, I think I look cute. Yo, and same too. Sun-kissed or what? I look so pretty, shame. It was like afront man in but then I literally don't know what to do. I'm so confused. I don't know what to do with my hair. So yeah, let me go and cook, or else I'll find. I think I'll start by cooking and then film, because now I'm hungry and tired. I can't film the lambile, so yeah, let's go. Guys, I'm wearing AA Beauty Cosmetics lipstick in the shade burgundy, and I'm also wearing our eyeshadow, and I also used it as a blush. It's very good, guys. So Guys, I honestly had the worst day ever today. Like, literally, you know, after I spoke to you guys, did the electricity not just go off? Wemkumban, load shedding, when I was about to do all that I was supposed to do today. So I couldn't do anything. I couldn't even cook, and I was so hungry. So that's why I went to McDonald's. And the electricity is only coming back now. The time now is 9. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock now. The electricity, yeah, and then go 5. Imagine 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 5 hours, and it digwe. So I just washed off my makeup right now, and I'm just gonna sleep, child. Clearly today is cancelled, and there's nothing I can do about it. So so injalo ito, guys. You are cling 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 cling. Bam 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 bam. Cling 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 cling. Cling cling. Cling cling cling. Cling cling cling. Okay guys, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. But guys, I'm obsessed. These nails, child, they are giving exactly what they are supposed to give, and that's on period. That's on period. I love them. Just look at that. Look at this. Don't be my nails a bit too nice. Don't be my nails. Maybe not tinning about fana. Chini. Look who's talking. Don't call fucking nails in a planche. And so happy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on my next video. If you are not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, and please do leave a comment in the comment section down below, and give me a huge thumbs up. And yeah, that's all for today. Today was cancelled basically, so we'll try again tomorrow. Right. Ooh, look at me hearing myself. Bye guys. Cheers. Bye.